Fumble, I'm Crystal Marine. Houston Texans defensive end J.J. Watt was slacking during workouts in the offseason. Something was off, and Watt's personal trainer, Brad Arnett, quickly realized the 290-pound Pro Bowler wasn't getting enough fuel. According to ESPN, the worldwide leader in calorie counting, Watt now consumes roughly 9,000 calories a day. The defensive end adjusted his diet to eating like the Incredible Hulk to keep up with his physical demands. "My body was grabbing for something that wasn't there," Watt said. "It was trying to fuel itself with no fuel." Just to give you an idea, 9,000 calories is a gluttonous amount of food. His calorie count rose to somewhere between 6,000 and 9,000 calories per day, depending on how active he was each day. Watt opted to keep his own meal plan a secret, but it would take about 50 slices of bacon, 20 chicken breasts, and 13 whole avocados to reach 9,000 calories. Most 26-year-olds don't consume that many calories in an entire week. Now we know how Watt is able to move so quickly at 290 pounds. Watt told ESPN that it takes effort to eat that many calories a day. When he isn't working out, he's munching down avocados like it's nobody's business. "It's literally, if I'm not working out, I eat the whole time," Watt said. "It's exhausting. You have to force feed. You have to force yourself to eat food," he said. Please, whatever you do, never let this man go hungry. J.J. Watt isn't the only athlete with an insane diet. Click here to find out what Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson ate to bulk up for his role in the film Hercules. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.